How to open and use AI select on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see click on display. So you will see display is here, so click on display. So after click on display, scroll down and click on edge panel. So make sure edge panel button is turned on. So after turn on edge panels and click on panels. So after click on panels, you will see click on apps. So after edit apps, go back to home screen and open edge panel. So you will see apps is here. So if you want to use AI select, so click on AI select. So you will see use from here. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can open and use AI select on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.